doing his job. Don't mind him. All right. What's up, y'all? Back at it again with our second build breakdown for this year. All right. We out here just fucking knocking them out the park and shit.
This ball is crushed.
Right here we have the homie Kyron's 2020 GLE 63S Coupe. All right. So first off, we start off with this car because it's been a two-part build for him. In, I want to say November of last year, we did the SS blackout package to it. We blacked out the emblems, grille, the lower fascia on the bumper, window trim, did partial of the roof, door handles, tail lights. On this one, we actually smoked the tail lights too, so peep that there. Tail light trim, trunk trim, and then the lower trim that goes over the exhaust. All that was done on phase 1. Phase 2, which it just came in for, that's the fun phase. All right. So this stock vehicle had 565 or 585 horsepower. ECU Tuning Group went ahead and flashed it. Now we are at 710 horsepower. We lowered it. We installed some Vossen wheels, 22 by 13 in the rear, 22 by 11 up front, 325 tire in the rear, 295 up front. His color scheme for this was to have like a blue accent. Doing something a little different. We did this candy blue on the calipers, but went ahead on the 8 portion of the V8 bi-turbo. We color matched those right there, both sides, and then on the rear, because it is a S, we went ahead and did the S too. Just a little something to kind of separate from the rest. Tinted this thing, front windshield, 50%, everything else limo. Custom catback exhaust using Valvetronic mufflers. This is a 3-inch stainless system with a custom X pipe, and then I'll have Josh let you hear this right now. So it's Valvetronic active mufflers. All right. So right here, the valves are closed. So it's still loud, but tank. The valves open. A little bit more aggressive, not on the, nothing too crazy, but you can definitely hear the turbos now, just spooling. That's what I love. So with the tune and the exhaust system, he's gonna love driving this thing. Besides that, very, very clean, tasteful build. Man, this is a daily driver too, so you can't go wrong with it. All right, enjoy.